shortbread cookies. Okay, so we're gonna separate the eggs. I need 4 egg yolks for my lemon curd. So now I'm just separating. And it's a funny thing having your own chickens because sometimes like the shells are a little thin, and that's when I go, maybe I need to give them a few more oyster shells. So we need to have a double boiler for the lemon curd. So your big saucepan has water in it, right? And then you've got your other pan, which I'm gonna put my egg yolks and my sugar. And I've got these gigantic homegrown lemons. So this is how I started. I had all these factors today. I was like, I have a lot of lemons. I have a lot of eggs. I'm about to leave town. So that's what kind of brought all these recipes together. It's such a juicy lemon. Look at that. I love it. We've got sugar, egg yolk, lemon juice. I might add some more. Got that all together. All right, let's get the boiler going. And I do need a whisk. So this is lovely. Look at the egg yolks and the lemon and the sugar, and it just all comes together so nicely. So I want to start with the lemon curd because I'm going to make lemon curd cookie sandwiches, and I need the lemon curd cool before I do that because I don't want it to make the cookies moist. So egg yolk, sugar, lemon, lemon zest. Let's do a little lemon zest too. Lemon zest is so good on everything. Try it. So I'm gonna just have to whisk this for a while. Okay, it's thickening up. I don't know if you can see. It is thickening up. It's not quite there. We're supposed to add some salt. Boy, that double boiler is bing, 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 bing along. Okay, now we're gonna remove from heat, and we're gonna have to cut in some butter. Okay, swap it out here. Butter, butter, more butter. So let's pour this in something that has a lip on it. Oh, it's so pretty. Let's see that? There's my lemon curd. I'm gonna set it aside. I've already made the shortbread. And if you've ever made shortbread cookies, you gotta know that it's a little discouraging when you're trying to put the dough together because it's very crumbly. Don't worry, it's supposed to be crumbly. You just have to kind of knead it. And it's easiest if you can do when you can kind of just mash it down into something like this, which is what I made for my kids. Then all I use to cut these out with, these little plastic cups, can't get rid of. So anyway, this is what I use as my cookie cutter. Okay, but look at the lemon curd now. Look how it's set. Oh, I'm so pleased. See how nice and thick it is? Remember how thin it was if you were here with me earlier? So, I'm gonna take one of these shortbreads. There you go. And as you know my philosophy, don't be afraid to cook.